Identifying key features from a graph. Okay, there's a lot on this screen. Let's talk about this first box over here. Ew, I don't like to write in red. Talk about this one here. Okay. So a function is considered positive in all the places where it's above the x-axis and negative when it lies below, which makes sense because all the y values underneath are negative, all the y values on the top are positive. So that's pretty straightforward. A function is increasing if it's going up from left to right. So my camera's on backward. I'm having trouble showing you, but basically, if you're looking at it and it's going up from left to right, that would be increasing, right? Like you see all those commercials and movies where they're showing a graph and they're like, look, profits are on the rise. That's increasing. Decreasing means going down. Okay, let's talk about this third part. There is something called extrema, meaning we call them relative maximums, which we actually say relative max because we're lazy, relative minimums, and we could say relative min. So a maximum is just like where, the line is going and it tops out somewhere. Minimum is bottoms out somewhere, like a valley. Top of the mountain is a maximum. Bottom of the valley, minimum. End behavior is like how the graph looks on the very outsides of it. So, you can see right here. This is decreasing as it's going towards positive infinity, right? As it goes up the x-axis, up the number line, it is decreasing. So that is considered its end behavior. Now we have linear functions versus not linear functions or nonlinear functions, right? Which is pretty straightforward. Linear literally has the word line in it, linear, if you will. So basically, all this in the green, those are linear functions because they are a straight line. These in the orange, since they're all wiggly and curvy, they're not a straight line. Therefore, they are not a line. They are non-linear or non-linear. And then here, discrete versus continuous. Discrete means like there's holes in between. The graph is basically made of these dots. Continuous means it's continuous. It doesn't break anywhere. And that's really all there is to it.